There is a white paint that kills mold on contact without poison. It repels insects from walls, wood, and stone basement surfaces. It is naturally fire retardant and protects wood from rotting out. It has 0 chemicals, 0 fumes, 0 volatile organic compounds. A 50-pound bag costs $8 at any masonry supply store. That single bag covers over 1,000 square feet of wall space. It has been used for at least 10,000 years across the world. Ancient Egyptians used it on tombs. Romans used it on aqueducts. Greek farmers used it on stone walls to keep disease from cattle. American dairy farmers whitewashed their barns every single spring. Plantation homesteads in the Deep South used it on every building. Chicken keepers used it inside coops to kill mites and bacteria. The United States military tested it against nuclear flash effects. Whitewashed structures survived radiant fire better than painted. The National Park Service still recommends it for historic sites. A 50-pound bag of hydrated lime makes enough paint for a cabin. The mold remediation industry charges thousands to treat one room. This $8 bag does what their chemicals cannot do at all. And almost nobody in America knows how to mix it anymore today. The modern name is lime wash. The old farm name was just whitewash. It is made from hydrated lime mixed with water and a pinch of salt. Calcium hydroxide is the active compound that does all the work. When brushed onto wood or stone, it creates a strong alkaline coat. Mold cannot survive on a surface with a high alkaline reading. Insects avoid it because the calcium dries out their outer shell. Fire slows down because the calcium layer reflects radiant heat. This is the story of the $8 paint the industry buried. Welcome to Hidden Timber Rhett. Subscribe and tap the bell now. If these buried backwoods methods matter, this is where they live. This is where forgotten homestead knowledge comes back for good. The year was 1891 on a dairy farm in central Vermont. A farmer named Amos Fletcher ran 40 head of cattle in his barn. Every spring before the cows came back, he whitewashed every wool. He mixed hydrated lime with water and salt in a large wooden pail. He brushed it thick onto the log walls, the ceiling, and the posts. The white coat killed the mold that grew over the long, wet winter. It killed the lice and mites that hid in the cracks of the timber. It sealed the wood grain and slowed rot from the moisture inside. His barn smelled clean within a single afternoon of application. Amos did this every year for 37 years without exception. His barn still stands today in the Connecticut River Valley region. Dairy regulations in the early 1900s required the wash. Inspectors checked that every dairy barn had fresh lime on the walls. The reasoning was simple. Lime kills bacteria that spoil raw milk. Farmers across New England, Pennsylvania, and the Midwest followed. By 1920, every serious dairy farm in America whitewashed. Homesteaders in the Appalachian Mountains used it inside the cabin. They brushed it on basement walls to stop mold before it started. Root cellars in Virginia and West Virginia were whitewashed yearly. The white surface made dark spaces brighter without any lamp at all. Chicken farmers in Arkansas and Georgia whitewashed coops each fall. The lime killed mites and lice on contact without any toxic spray. Old-timers in the Ozarks called it the cheapest insurance they had. One $8 bag protected an entire homestead for a full year. This video is just the surface of what the industry really buried. I collected everything modern outdoor culture, hid under new products. All of it lives inside the complete Forbidden Hunter's vault today. Sub-zero furnace setups built from simple field logic and no gear. Dead wood firecraft that lights a campfire in the hardest cold rain. Invisible camp layouts that erase your footprint from the deerwoods. Ghost scent methods that make whitetail miss your full hunting trail. Silent stalking footwork built from real old mountain hunter steps. Appalachian meat cache systems that hold up in the back country now. Hidden funnel logic that changes how you read the deer terrain map. 8 powerful modules in one place. No fluff and no filler at all. The link is pinned at the very top of the description just below. Stay right here. This video is just getting started strong today. Now listen carefully. Here is the science behind why lime works. Hydrated lime is calcium hydroxide with a very high alkaline level. When mixed with water, it creates a solution reading near 12. Mold and mildew need a surface between 4 and 8 to survive. A reading of 12 is completely hostile to every mold species known. The calcium hydroxide penetrates into the pores of wood and stone. It does not just sit on the surface like acrylic or latex paint does. It bonds chemically with the material as it absorbs carbon dioxide. Over time, the lime converts into calcium carbonate, which is limestone. That means the coating literally turns into rock inside the surface. A study from the National Research Council of Canada confirmed this. Whitewashed wood resisted fire at higher radiant heat than painted. The calcium layer reflects heat instead of absorbing it like paint. House Digest reported that whitewashed roofs lower interior temps. The temperature drop can reach up to 10 degrees inside the house. Compare two basements with the same black mold problem in Vermont. Basement 1 calls a mold remediation company for an estimate first. They quote $3,000 to remove and treat one small room. Basement 2 buys an $8 bag of hydrated lime from supply. He mixes it with water, adds a cup of salt and brushes 2 coats. The mold is dead within 48 hours of the second coat drying. No chemicals, no contractor, no $3,000 invoice bill. If you made it this far, you already know more about mold control than most homeowners will ever learn from any remediation company. Subscribe and share this with anyone who still values real methods over expensive chemical treatments that need to be redone each year. The full vault link is pinned at the top of the description below. Now stay with me because the next part matters even more than this. So why does almost nobody teach whitewash at the hardware store now? Why did this 10,000-year-old method disappear from our homes? The mold remediation industry in America generates over $6 billion. That is $1 billion every single year in the United States alone. The average mold removal job costs between $1,000 and $3,000. Some whole house treatments run over $10,000 for a family home. The entire business model depends on mold that keeps coming back. Chemical mildewcides and antimicrobial paints need reapplication. Acrylic and latex paints trap moisture inside the walls they cover. Trapped moisture feeds new mold growth behind the sealed surface. That creates a repeat cycle that keeps the remediation trucks busy. Lime whitewash threatens that entire recurring revenue model clean. You cannot build a remediation business on an $8 bag fix. You cannot charge $3,000 when a farmer's recipe works fine. A homeowner with lime and a brush solves what entire teams charge. That is exactly what the paint and remediation industry hates most. They stopped teaching whitewash in home improvement stores decades. They buried it behind branded antimicrobial primers and chemicals. Old dairy farmers who whitewashed every spring retired and left us. A whole generation of homeowners grew up trusting the paint aisle, while the $8 lime bag sat untouched at the masonry store. The industry does not need to ban it. They just need silence to work. And silence buried 10,000 years of real homestead protection. Here is exactly how to whitewash your basement, cabin, or any wall. Buy a bag of hydrated lime from any masonry or farm supply store. A 50-pound bag costs between $8 and $12 on average. Make sure the label says hydrated lime, not garden lime or dolomite. Garden lime is calcium carbonate and will not work for this purpose. Hydrated lime is calcium hydroxide, and that is what kills the mold. Get a large bucket and mix 8 parts lime to 1 part clean water. Add 2 parts of regular table salt to help the coating bond strong. Stir the mixture until it reaches a thick consistency like a batter. Let it sit for 1 hour so the lime fully reacts with the salt. Brush the mixture onto clean dry wood, stone, brick or concrete. Use a wide masonry brush and work in long even strokes on the wall. Apply the first coat and let it dry completely for 24 hours. Apply a second coat for maximum protection against mold and insects. The white surface will brighten any dark basement or root cellar. You will notice the musty smell disappearing within the first day. Mold spores on the surface will be dead within 48 hours. The coating lasts up to 1 full year before it needs a fresh coat. Old dairy farmers reapplied every spring as part of their routine. For chicken coops, brush the inside walls and the roosting area well. The lime kills mites and lice on contact without any toxic product. For crawl spaces, brush or spray the exposed wood joists and beams. The lime will penetrate the wood grain and seal it against moisture. For outdoor sheds and barns, brush the interior walls after winter. The coating protects the wood from rot and repels crawling insects. Compare this to a mold remediation quote for a basement treatment. A professional charges between $2,000 and $5,000 for one visit. Chemical antimicrobial primers cost $40 to $60 a gallon. Those primers trap moisture and often make the problem worse later. One $8 bag of lime does the job better and lets walls dry. No chemicals in the air, no fumes near your family or your animals. No contractor, no invoice, no repeat visit scheduled for next year. I need to be honest with you about one real limit of this method. Whitewash is not a decorative finish like modern interior paint is. It looks rustic and chalky. It does not come in designer colors. If you want smooth-colored walls in a living room, this is not ideal. But for basements, cellars, barns, coops, sheds, and crawl spaces, for any place where mold and moisture are the real enemy to fight. Whitewash is the cheapest and most effective coating ever invented. One more thing. Hydrated lime is caustic when dry and being mixed. Wear gloves and a dust mask when handling the dry powder always. Once mixed with water and applied, the coating is completely safe. It is so safe the Food and Drug Administration lists calcium as one. Calcium carbonate is the active ingredient in antacid tablets too. This knowledge did not die. It waited inside old dairy barn walls. It waited for someone to bring it back to the American homestead. If this video helped you, then subscribe and share it right now. Every share preserves what the modern paint industry tried to bury. The vault link is pinned at the very top of the description below. The next buried method opens soon, and what is inside is heavier. Until then, remember what the old farmers always knew about walls. $8 of lime beats $3,000 of mold removal.